Hey everybody, what is up? This is V Worldwide here. So I am going to be unboxing these two cases for my Z Fold 7. You saw my unboxing the other day on my Z Fold, excuse me. So we have the Poetic Revolution and the Poetic Spartan. So let's do the Spartan first. Let's check that out. Now I want to give a shout out to Poetic. They sent me these cases out for review and to unbox. So give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and do the Spartan case first. Like here we have some adhesive strips. Let's see. I believe, yeah, they're for the put on the edges there to help it keep locked in. It says for extra dust protection also. So let's put that to the side. Case. I always like these cases. I like the ones with the kickstands. You know, I just like the kickstands because I watch a lot of sports and movies on them. So, all right, let's see here. Remove film. Looks like we have a case or a screen protector with it. Okay, I see here. So you do pull that off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave these adhesive strips off because they kind of stick. And then, so once I figure out what case I'm gonna, roll with, I'll go ahead and put the adhesive on to help it bind to the phone, to help it do the dust protection. So let's go ahead and pop this one on. And that hinge is nice on there. So, and of course, the one thing I don't like is it's going to take away from how thin this is. So I'll line that up. So I'm going to pop these on right now without putting the adhesive on, just for now. Let's see. Little hinge. And then we will. Oh, this also has a hinge on it for the hinge on the phone protection. Pop that in. There we go. Check that out. It's nice. And we have the screen protector there built in. And this is the hinge protection. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be. I thought about doing it without the skin or without the case, but this thing is so thin in my hands. It feels like I'll just drop it, and I know I will. So anyway, we got a hinge here. It's at different angles. Let's see if it'll do it while it's open. So we got it fully open. Oh yeah. So that's how I like to usually watch things like that. And I believe it's also MagSafe, so you can pop it on and charge it through that also. There, the Poetic logo. Camera cutouts there. Little flash cutout. Speaker holes. Charge port hole. And of course, like I said before, you got the hinge protection. It's nice. Oh yeah, it kind of slides in at the. See how it slides. It's pretty cool. All right, so that's the Spartan case. Give me a second. I'm gonna go ahead and get the Revolution case ready. Be right back. Before I go, I'm sorry. The rocker buttons for the volume control, and also you got your fingerprint, the power button, so you can still access the fingerprint, access. So give me a second. All right, we got the Revolution here. Yep. Let's open this one up. I was gonna do two separate videos on these, but I mean, Let's see here. There, the box. Don't look like we have the adhesive strips with this one, the extra ones. Anyway, pop that off. Get the styrofoam out of there. And let's pop this on. This one first. So this one's probably better to do the front part first because you have that hinge. And that way you can just pop it right in. Camera cutout, very easy to install. Doesn't have the kickstand on this one. Does have the MagSafe though. Right there, you can see the little ring. Little ridges back. I think I'm gonna rock with the one with the kickstand because I like that one a lot better. But it's got that strong protection for the hinge. Dust protection, keeps that out there. Nice. Open it up. Bam. Has that same sliding hinge. Slides across the back. Pretty cool. All right. There you have it, and this is the Revolution. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna be going with the. We got the rocker button here. Cutout for fingerprint, flash cutout, camera cutout. This also provides protection on both of these for the camera, because you see it's a little right here. It's a little pushed out from the camera. Whereas if you're rocking it without the case, you're gonna be laying it like right on the lens of the cameras. So, because they kind of poke out a bit if you saw that video. There, you got all the cutouts there. Pretty sturdy case, pretty nice. And these feel really good as far as like in the hand. I mean, you can grip it. You have something to grip on. If you do experience it without the cases, it's kind of slip. I don't know, my hands are big, like I said. It just feels like it'll just slip out of my hand. So I'm gonna be keeping the cases on it. So, but I think I'm gonna go with the Spartan case. It's a really nice case. The gray color, and this here is the deal right here. That's what drew me into this case. So I love this case. So again, shout out to Poetic for sending me out the Revolution case and the Spartan case to check out. I will be back again with a review video for the Fold 7 in a couple of weeks probably. So for now, this is V. I'm out.